There is no need to record it now. We will just see. Okay. So what are the access he can do? What are the, whether he can create any new object or anything?
So this is my the regular profile that I have, and this is the recruiter one. And here, if I go, I actually wanted to compare like what's there. So I can go to setup, and this is the option that's coming for the recruiter setup. And like it's different than once it's here, right? Like these options are not there. Multi-factor, lightning experience, mobile app.
Yeah, so that's what I wanted to ask. First of all, you have to compare the profiles, what are the accesses they are having on profile level. Then you have to compare the difference in the org. What are the difference you find when you log in through recruiter or when you log in through system admin profile? So what are the differences you observe? Right. So that's what I was asking you to compare. And now you can, as you said, you can see for recruiter, you have disabled all other apps and he can only access recruitment app, right?
Right.
So that also you can check. That can also be one observation. Now go to object manager and check if the recruiter can create any object or any field. Try to create any new object.
No, it does not allow me.
Correct. So check all these steps. So what are the things the recruiter can do? Okay. And these all things should be noted down. So these all are the differences between a recruiter and the system admin. Of course, system admin is super user, so system admin will have all the accesses. Okay. And he is there to give or remove access to any user in the system. That's why he is having all the accesses. He is super user. But recruiter, how many things he can do? What are the things he can perform in the system? That you need to see.
It does not allow me. I was checking for candidate if it allows me to edit, but here I cannot edit.
Yeah.
For candidate, I guess for position it should allow me because we give edit permission.
See, this is the object which you are trying to change. There are differences. One is the object changes which you can perform, or there are record changes. So we have given create, read, edit, and that is related to record, not object changes. Okay.
Right.
That means what I said, if we are giving create, read, edit permission on profile, on position object, that means that is related to record. He cannot change any field or object. Okay. He can only change the records. He can perform the operation on records. If there is position and he wants to create a new record, of course, create is given, he can create, but he cannot create a new field in position object. Okay.
Okay.
Check even if he can access profile. Check all these steps. because this is very important stuff. If you are going to work in Salesforce world, then you must understand the differences of accesses. Profile will let you know when you compare how the access has been given and what all the access is being given. You will come to know through profile, but how it behaves in actual world. For that, you need to log in with different users and see. Okay.
Oh, okay. And Shan, one more thing. So I was I created for these, but I wanted to ask can I change the user like recruiter instead of the standard user if I create it as the system administrator?
Yeah, you can change the profile. In user, you can go and change the profile. The recruiter can become your system administrator. All the
Oh,
accesses for a user are being defined inside a profile. Profile contains the information that what all the access one user has in the system. In
mm,
recruiter profile, you gave only access to recruitment tab. You removed access from all other apps. So the recruiter can only see recruitment app. He cannot see other apps, right?
right.
So that's the thing. In profile, that's why I'm asking you to compare these two. While comparing, you'll come to know what are the sections we have in profile.
Mm,
Okay.
okay, sure.
And there are many questions asked in interview from profile and access. And most of them are scenario-based questions.
Oh, okay.
They might say that I have given create, read, edit permission on position object, but the user is not able to access it. Then why he is not able to access it? That we need to find out. Because there are many things which we perform while giving the access.
Yes. Okay.
So you need to go for check whether the tab access is given or not. Right?
Mm,
There are many things which you need to consider, check, so that that particular tab is visible on any app. You saw, right? We gave create access or read access on position object, then only it became visible on recruitment app.
right.
And then when we gave create, then you got the button of for creating the record. When we gave edit, then we got button for edit. Otherwise, we
Right.
were not getting it. Right?
Mm-hmm.
So that we need to do. We need to understand these all things. What are the things we do and what is the impact of it in the system? And the security is very important. Who can access what is very important, because if unauthorized person accesses something, then that may create huge loss for the company as well. Like if all the employees, if they are getting the max pay, they are able to see mean pay and max pay, then what
Mm-hmm.
will happen? They will ask their referrals to ask the maximum amount, right?
Right.
And there where company can save thousands of dollars, they will have to pay more, right? So that is a sensitive information, right? Which should only be shared with required people or certain set of people who really need them. Otherwise, that should be hidden from others. Okay. So
Right.
you need to think from that all perspective. This is very important thing. If you are playing with profile or the access of any person, then you must be very responsible person for that. It's your responsibility to ensure that no extra access is being given to anyone who does not require it. Only required access. What are the things one user can perform? Only that access should be given. As of now, you can see in standard user, in even in your recruiter, you can see on standard objects, there are many accesses being given, which were already being there. You need to remove that. On standard objects, he is having create, read, edit in some of the things, right? Some of the objects.
In the standard, for the yes.
In recruitment profile, go to recruitment profile through system admin.
This only, right?
From system admin, go to recruiter system, where you have logged in as a system admin, left or right?
This is my main profile.
Yeah. So from here, go to setup, go to profile. And in profile, go to, yeah, you are having recruiter profile. Click on recruiter profile. In recruiter profile, scroll down where you were giving create, read, edit permission. No, cancel it, cancel it, cancel it. Yeah, so here he is having read access on account as well.
Right.
In other object. Why he is having? He should not have. Remove that. Okay. Your recruiter should not have these all accesses.
All
Why
these,
should he
right?
have?
Just the recruitment.
Only he should have the access on those objects where he should require. He doesn't require access to other objects, right? He
Right.
is only required to have access on position object, candidate object, job application object, and others which we have created in our app. But he does not require any access on the standard objects, which he currently has. So we should remove that. He's not supposed to have those accesses. Okay.
Right.
So you can remove it. Yeah. So any doubt, any query anyone has, we can address it and then we can close it. Hello everyone. Anyone has any doubt, any query?
No,
Jerry.
no, sir.
Okay, then we can close it and you guys can enjoy. Happy weekend. Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you, Sean.
Bye, everybody.
Take care, guys. Bye.
Bye.